Hi guys, today we are going to make farmers fisherman soup. Fisherman soup, not farmer soup. Obviously, it's also farmer soup. So to make this soup, I am going to use croaker fish. You can use any type of fish you want. I am using croaker fish for this. I'm using snail. The snail is already cooked, and I have washed my fish, and then dry fish, and then crayfish. This is crayfish with Cameroon pepper and oziza. So I am also going to use cocoyam powder, and I'm using crab legs. My crabs are little, so I'm going to use shrimp. All have been washed and prepared for the soup. So I am adding water to the pot, and I'll cook the fish a bit. I have added what they call ngolo. I didn't show it, my camera wasn't videoing it. So I am going to use also ngolo on this, and I added that cooked cooked snail. So in this, I'm just going to melt down the cocoyam, and then I'm going to remove the fish so that it doesn't scatter. Yes, because this soup is it has a lot of fish and protein in it. So while it is boiling, I am going to put the cocoyam paste to it. So you can use any type of cocoyam paste. If you can't find cocoyam paste, you can use arrow's root. I use arrow's root, at least you can find them in the shop wherever you live if you're not staying in Nigeria. So I'm adding oil, so I will allow it to boil, and then I add the shrimp. And this is my own version. We don't have everything here. So this is the crab that I could buy here. I was looking for the bigger ones, and this is the one that I can find where I live. And where as it's boiling, I will now add crayfish, because the soup is very quick. And then I will turn, and then let it to boil a little bit. At this stage, you want to add maggi or stock cube, type of stock cube that you want, and if you can add uziza too, and then cover it. Allow it to boil for some time. Whilst it's boiling, add the fish. You can also add the fish before it's boiling, because this one is very soft. That's why I'm adding it later. So now I'm adding my own stock cube, and then I'll allow it to boil. So whilst it's cooking, I'm going to keep an eye on it and allow those things to cook, and I add the fish, and then I add the periwinkle. I've added the periwinkle without showing it. I'm sorry, I can't find the video. And whilst it's boiling and it is ready, and I added uziza to this, please. I added uziza. So you add uziza leaf. If you can't find uziza leaf, just add any type of leaf you like. And if you are looking for a crayfish, a very clean crayfish, and you're living in the UK, you as well click on the link below and get a nice, good, and affordable crayfish.